Intsel Steel, production saw cutting. Check out Intsel's newest edition, the state-of-the-art Voortman VB1050. This fully automated bandsaw is CAD operated, allowing for precise and productive processing of wide flange beams. This saw cutting system has enabled us to offer the shortest lead times in the country, produced with unrivaled accuracy. Powered with VB1050 technology, the system simultaneously stages, infeeds, measures, and off-feeds structural steel with limited operator involvement. If you require miter cuts, the VB1050 offers automated miter cutting from 45 to 60 degrees. Or -60 to -45 degrees. The saw head rotates while the beam is fixed in place. Ultimately, the VB1050 enables Intsel to provide unrivaled services to our customers so they meet their stringent deadlines. Save time and money with Intsel Steel.